Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best scroll saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Scroll Saws. If your projects require intricate cuts, such as those needed when you craft gingerbread trim or fashion elaborate jewelry boxes, wood signs, or birdhouses, your go-to carpentry tool may be out of its league. For a more equipped option, consider the scroll saw. These specialty saws are considered essential tools for woodworking, particularly indispensable for craftsmen. Number 5. Excalibur X 21 inches Tilting Head Scroll Saw. Unlike other scroll saws where the table is tilted for angles cuts, the entire head of the Excalibur tilts 45 degrees to the left or the right. Main features: adjustable blade mounting, seamless blade changes, integrated blade guard. Number 4. Shop Series RK 7315 16 inches Scroll Saw. This scroll saw includes two durable 5 inches tungsten carbide blades with a throat depth of 16 inches, providing a cutting capacity of 2 inches at 90 degrees. Main features: variable speed control, 2-year limited warranty, powerful and lightweight. Number 3. DeWalt DW788 1.3 amp 20-inch variable speed scroll saw. Blade tensioning lever are all located on the front upper arm. Arm design pivots from the back of the saw to the front and lifts. Main features: double parallel link arm design, exclusive tool-free blade, robust all-metal construction. Number 2. Delta Power Tools 40 to 694 20-inch scroll saw. Delta Power Equipment Corporation focuses on innovations to help the woodworker. The company designs and distributes a variety of stationary woodworking tools. Main features: easy blade changes, dual parallel link arm design, electronic variable speed. Number 1. Wendt 3922 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. The cast iron base prevents vibration and walking during operation, while the spacious 16. Main features: 16-inch throat depth, 45 degrees for angled cuts, easy access blade changes. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.